Hey everyone, Stephen Spry again. I thought I'd show you a little bit of the outside of the area that I'm living in after being outside yesterday. It was really good, nice pleasant change, and this little break wall is a great spot to go for a walk along because you always see something new, something different. So what you've got to do is be careful that you can dodge the push bikes. Like I said, got to be careful. Actually, one of the first times I did start walking along here, I was walking up the middle of the path, forgetting, of course, that there were bikes that were supposed to be sharing it, and ding, 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 ding. I heard this ding, ding, ding. And I thought, what the blazes is that? And instantly learned to keep to the left and avoid the push bikes that were coming at me. So that was fun. Now, one of the good things about going for a little walk along this part of the Camden Haven River is that I've got a couple of pods of dolphins that live in here. And I think maybe one out of every 3 walks or so you'll probably see a couple of them just coming up to the top of the river here and saying, "Hello, how are you?" And I say, "G'day" back, as you do. So it's a nice spot to go walking along. Sorry about the shutter. If I do too many more of these, I better invest in one of those gyro thingy dingies, hey? That might be an idea. Tide's running a bit strong at the moment. It's probably just over the top of the high now and running out. So there's a good deal of current all the way along here. Don't think today is going to be the day that we actually see some dolphins jumping up and down in the water though, hey? Which is a shame. Just reminds you how absolutely beautiful nature is, doesn't it? That you can live right next door to something like this. And the funny thing is, not many people actually get out of the house and take the time to look at it. Not many people take the time to get away from their social media or their Facebooks or Twitters or whatever and recharge their batteries in the way that nature intended people should recharge their batteries. Yeah, you can get a good hit from just enjoying this, in my opinion. Or if you've got a bike, you can do what this guy's doing and travel all the way along this wall, all the way into town. I think it's about 5 kilometres. If you want to ride or walk, up to you. Get a hit from the fresh air and the lovely scenery. Not to forget the sunshine that you're supposed to have to help your skin and all that sort of stuff. You certainly don't get that on social media. Oh, did we see that? I hope we did. That bird there just went straight down, went plonk. There's dinner for him. Good on you, matey. Facebook, Twitter. Wrong place for social discourse. Most of the people on Twitter are probably pushing some sort of barrow that only serves them, doesn't serve you. And Facebook. Oh, seriously. I'd rather go to bed and sleep. More exciting than listen to Bogan say, "Oh, well, I saw it on Facebook, so it must be true." Sorry to the various Facebook friends that I have. If you unfriend me now, good on you. But there are a lot better things than you can do than just waste your life away on social media. And I speak from experience because, probably around 2010 or so, I got involved in an online game that was played through Facebook. Yay, all the War Commander guys out there, how you doing? Pretty involved, all right, for about 3 years. And then all of a sudden I just woke up and realised, what the hell am I doing? Hello, bird. And decided to get away from it. Yes, I'm still on Facebook, but only for sharing photos and special events and stuff like that with closer friends. I just found out the other day that my 13-year-old's on Twitter. I said, "What the hell do you do on Twitter?" And she said, "Oh, I've tweeted 26,000 things." And I said, "Well, how on earth do you find time to do that?" And she said, "Oh, well, they're not all originals, they're mostly retweets." And I thought, still, 26,000 retweets. Yep. Valuable platform, isn't it? Valuable platform. Imagine the time that could have been spent doing something else. Never mind. Having a bit of a whinge now, aren't I? Okay, it's getting cold out here, so I'm going to head back. And because that breeze is actually blowing right through me. Sorry I couldn't show you any dolphins today. That would have been really terrific if we did. Where are you guys? I had a story about mountains actually before I leave. One of the things that actually attracted me to this place is that no matter which way you approach this town from, you come in from the north or the west or the south, you can't come in from well, I suppose you can come in from the east, you can come in from way over there. The thing that dominates the area is North Brother Mountain. It's big, like a big sleeping giant there. It's just right at the back of the village, just protecting the people. And as you come into the place, you feel a lot more safe and secure than you do lots of other places, that's for sure. So anyway, that's my thoughts on it. Also love the green, lots of green. Love the water. Love the wildlife. You probably can't hear them, but the park here is full of birds that are tweeting away right now. And apart from them, I love the quiet too, because that's huge. It's funny, I spent a few months away last year house sitting at a friend's place out a bit further out in the bush. And she had a property that was 12 kilometres out of the nearest town. And after 4 months there, I came back here for a bit. And boy, it was so noisy. Oh dear. Ah well, you've got to laugh, haven't you? Alright, thanks for that, guys. You know what to do. If you like this, hit that button, subscribe, like, share, all of that sort of stuff. And that's it for the May 6th episode of my daily vlog. See you again soon. Ciao.